I was doing something at home. There's things that you have to do it yourself. You can't get a handman or anyone. You become a handman yourself to do some of the issues at home. Fix this, fix that. And I got the tools. I have the tools. What I don't have, I might borrow, but I hate borrowing. I always keep my own tools and I do my own work and use my own tools. I've tried to buy myself as many tools as possible, and this way I do all my work like I did these handles for my door. I hope I'm going to be successful, and when I finish installing the handles, I'll let you know.